Hello community, hope you are doing well. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe, like and share the video. Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I will show you how to create your very first API using FastAPI. FastAPI is one of the most modern and fastest Python framework for building APIs. It's a beginner friendly yet powerful enough for advanced use cases. So let's dive right into it. So in previous video we have set up the environment for it and you know how to activate it and how to deactivate it. Okay, now let's write the actual API on your favorite code editor. I will use VS Code here and create a new file named main.py. Okay, in this file we are writing the code for the hello world. Let's import. So we first import the FastAPI class and create an instance for it called app. Okay, from goes to first. This instance we will be used to define our route. So let's define our route at the rate app.get slash decorator maps that router URL / to the root URL function. Okay, here we have to create one function def read root. This function returns the dictionary message hello world. Okay, now run the application FastAPI dev main.py. So here main is name of our Python file. Okay, and dev we are using as a keyword to running as a developer. Okay, once our server is running, it is running on the port 8000. Okay, we are going to open this URL in a browser. So let's copy this URL. You can see it's written the hello world message. And if you want to see that docs in the Swagger, you have to simply type / docs has and /. Okay, it is opening a Swagger documentation. And that's it. You have just created your first API using FastAPI. It's a simple, clean and powerful. In upcoming video we will dive into our topics like handling data, authentication and deployment of fast application. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section and give it the thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching a video and I will see you in the next video.